You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborsky.
One of the top questions is, will AI generated script maintain a natural and engaging tone? So a lot of people wonder if scripts can capture a conversational, engaging tone that feels natural and relatable to their audience. So my answer is, that's why we use a script, and we don't ask ChatGPT to write the entire script, because nothing can replace our own experiences, our own voice, and things like that. I've used ChatGPT personally to write an entire blog post. And as I shared in the last video, where I talk about creating a content plan, it came up with something that was very textbooky, even though I used advanced prompts to make it conversational, use different kind of language and things like that. It didn't reflect my voice. So that's why we just ask it to write a script outline, maybe with a few bullet points, change it around, just to kind of give you that little idea of what you need to talk about, okay? So the engaging voice and the uniqueness comes from when you take that script and you just sit down and use it as your guideline to create to film your video or record your podcast, whatever it is that you're doing, right?
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.